What up YouTube? I'm going to show you how to fix your white or blank icons after your Siriport install. And here I'm going to show you how to fix my clock icon. It's still white or blank. We're going to need the iFile to do that. Let me click on it and okay, it's verified. Make sure it works. And it does, so now go ahead and run iFile. So here you want to go to the folder called var/applications.WjqLsq/ Mobile.Timer.app. Now here you want to find that file called icon.png and rename it to icon.png.
Your original cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds, after a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you could open one that leads you.
And just reboot your iPad. And there you go, clock icon. Hopefully this video helps you out, and if you like it, you don't like it, subscribe anyways. Peace.